In today's video, you will be learning how to use Gboard 2021 for effortless and faster Android typing with these 6 tips that I will be showing you. Coming up next in JCode. If you don't have Gboard, go to the Play Store and download it and set it as your default keyboard. To access glide typing, you must go first to the settings and then enable glide typing, show gesture trail, gesture delete, and gesture cursor control. Now, you can input the words by sliding through the letters. When the gesture cursor control is enabled, you can move the cursor by sliding across the space bar. This will help when you are sending or typing long messages. Within this tool, you can select all, copy, paste, or delete the text. Moreover, you can easily jump to the first letter or to the last letter of your message and move around using the navigation keys in seconds. To highlight text, you need to tap the select button first with one of the navigation keys. Switching or changing keyboard language will help prevent auto-correction. But before you can change it, you must first add another keyboard language in the language settings. Gboard seems to make it slightly difficult to get to special characters like the underscore or the asterisk. But there's actually a super simple way to find and access practically every number or symbol. All you've got to do is touch your finger to the 123 key and then slide it upward across the keyboard. You'll see a screen full of numbers and special characters instantly appear, and you can then just swipe your finger. Once you let go, that character will be inserted into your text and the keyboard will go back to its regular panel. To access the quick capitalization, touch your finger to the Shift key, the up-facing arrow to the left of the Z, and instead of letting go, keep your finger down and swipe over to whatever letter you want. That letter will come through capitalized, and the keyboard will then automatically switch back to lowercase when you let go. This is my favorite tip for today's video. Enabling the clipboard will let you collect and see all copied texts on your keyboard for an hour. You can pin the text, paste it immediately, and send it to your chatmates without retyping your messages.